Well, China obviously is a very important market for the Alliance. Nissan has an objective this year to sell more than 1.3 million units in China. The objective is to position Nissan as the #1 brand between the Japanese brand in China in a sustainable way. For Renault, as you know, the plant which is being built will start production by the end of the year. Obviously, this means that China is going to become one of the main pillar, if not the main pillar of growth of Renault for the years to come. We have 4 brands, but each one of them has a particular purpose. Each one of them is targeting specific customers.
China is the largest automotive market in this world, but it's gradually changing. Customers get younger, and then to attract them, we need to provide a more dynamic design. That's a key success for the product. And then particularly C sedans and SUV, those are most growing segments.
We are targeting the young urban people, young Chinese people which want to differentiate themselves, buying something which is trendy, something which is fashion, with color, and that's what we try to do, to appeal those people. We will enter with a Capture now. In 6 months, maybe a bit more, 9 months, we enter with a Kadjar. End of 2016, a new one. So we will have a full range of SUV to tackle this big market. This is probably the best answer we can have. Nissan is playing a very strong role, and we have the full support of Nissan operation in China. They've got a strong insight of the Chinese market. They know how to sell the cars. They know, of course, how to make the car, how to build the car, what's the Chinese customer's taste, and that's what we try to copy from them. So it's one of the biggest advantage for us. We don't have to make our own experience. We can go directly to them and try to copy what was good. If I take the example of the powertrain or the engine factory, we just bought the same machine. We put it on the same place, on the same building, with the same operating mode. And that means we can exactly copy, even the programming of the computer are the same. So it's very fast, it's cheap, it's efficient. And when we move a worker from Huadu, which is the location of Nissan, he can already operate on a Renault factory in Wuhan because it's exactly the same surrounding.
To be a #1 in this market, we need more volumes. Benefit to have Renault in this market for us is more scale, more volume. And then in order for Renault to be larger volumes, they need more support from Nissan. And I commit 100% support for Renault to grow in here.
The fact that Nissan is already there and Renault is doing a copy and paste allow Renault to go very fast and also to make sure that this first move is the right one because it's based on 12 years of successful experience of Nissan in China. So you see that from one side and from the other, China is at the center of strategy of growth of the Alliance.